This video is going to teach you how to restrict access to certain episodes. So perhaps you want to give episodes away for free and you want to charge for other episodes. And it's also going to show you how to set up multiple pricing tiers on your sales page. So let's get started. It all starts with tags. So you can create all sorts of different tags. In this example, I created a free tag, a monthly tag, and an annual tag. So I'm going to go ahead and use these tags both in my episodes and in my contacts. Let me show you how. And by the way, you can have whatever tags you want. You can have VIP. You can have all sorts of different tags. Doesn't matter. All right, so let's go into first the show in the episodes. So in this sample show, I have 4 episodes, and I'm going to walk you through them. The first episode is a welcome episode, and we can't limit access based on tag for the first episode. Everybody needs to get access to that very first episode because we can't give them an empty podcast. So everybody gets access to that first episode. Now going into the second episode, I titled it free just for the demo purpose. You can title it whatever you want. But this is an episode where anybody who has the free tag, the monthly tag, and the annual tag will get access to the show. So I need to add all the different tags that will get access. Let me go into the paid. So this episode, the users have to pay something to get access to it. And that'll be my monthly pay subscribers and my annual subscribers. I'm going to give them access to that show. And then in my last one, I'm going to give a bonus episode to anybody who pays for the annual subscription. So only people who are tagged as annual will get access to that show. All right, now let's go into the sales page, and you can see the different pricing tiers that I set up. So let's take a look at these. First, I have free, and anybody who's tagged with free and will get access to the episodes that are also tagged as free. And then I set up a monthly subscription for $10 a month, and I'm going to tag all the listeners who purchase this as monthly subscribers. So they'll get access to all the episodes that have the tag monthly. And then lastly, I have an annual subscription, which is $100 a year. And I'm going to tag all of my contacts annual, and they will get access to all of the episodes that have the annual tag. So let's take a look again at what those episodes are. Everybody gets access to episode 1. They'll also get access to 2, 3, and 4. So now let's look at the contacts. And I added a couple of contacts here. And first is my free user. So my free user will have just the tag of free. That's it. My annual user will just have the tag as annual. Now, if you have multiple shows where you're going to have multiple free and you don't want to give them access to the next show for free, you want them to have to actually pay for it, then what you can do is create free and then a name for that, which would be pricing example. We'll just do that one. Okay, so then they would only get access. Let me go into here. Free pricing example. Now, I don't, on my sales page, have anything where I'm tagging them free pricing example. So I would need to edit this price and do that and tag them. Okay, so now let's take a look at the sales page Let's see what that looks like. I'm just going to quickly refresh here. I don't have my Stripe set up, so it's not going to allow anybody to enter in a credit card number, but you can see where my different pricing levels have been displayed with each episode. So the user knows what pricing they'll get, and they can select the plan they want and get access to your show. You can also tag users in your, if you're using, let's go into here. If you're using Zapier, Pabbly, High Level, Public API, you can tag them. You don't have to use the Hiro sales page in the tiers to tag them. You can also use our APIs to do that as well. And that is how you can restrict access to episodes based on tags, as well as create multiple pricing tiers in the Hiro sales page.